Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open app in floating Windows view on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. To do it, just open the app you want to open in floating window. For example, let's open the settings, whatever. Then click on the recents button, or if you have the gestures, then slide up and hold to go to the recents like that. Then click on the icon of the app and select pop-up view. Now you can see it is in the pop-up view. You can move it around, you can resize it as well. Now it's like, you can see that when I resize it to the max, it just makes it an icon that I can open. So it's pretty great. This is how it works. You can click here to actually show like the controls here. You can also just set it to split screen view with this one, minimize it, maximize it, or close it. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.